Once upon a time, there lived a king who was extremely kind hearted and benevolent. He always thought about the welfare of his subjects. The people in his kingdom too led a very prosperous and happy life. They never complained about anything. The king had given them everything they required to lead a happy and safe life. One fine morning, the king expressed his wish to go for a pilgrimage. He desired to visit all the famous religious places within his kingdom and would even love to meet the people personally to hear from them. The ministers and associates would order that they should start making preparation and declare the date of the journey. All the ministers and king's men happily made arrangements to go on a voyage with the king. It was just like a lifetime experience. The king spoke to all the common men in the kingdom. He was happy to hear from them that they were contented and had everything they could wish for. After several weeks, the king returned to the kingdom, tired with the long journey which took so many weeks, so he decided to take complete rest. However, one fine morning he woke up very sad. He did not speak to anyone and did not even attend the court. His ministers were very worried. They could sense that something was making the king upset, but they did not know what it was. However, they went up to the king and asked him the reason for his unhappiness. The king said, "After coming from the pilgrimage, my legs are paining too much. I can't walk and I can't even keep my feet on the ground. The road of the kingdom are so rough and hard. It takes great pain to walk over them. I had decided that I should order the men to cover all the road with leather so that the common people don't have any problem while walking." Hearing this, the minister were taken aback. However, the chief minister came up to the king and said, "This is not possible, my lord. You cannot cover all the road with leather as you have to kill so many animals to get the leather. Rather, it would be sensible that you wear a shoe yourself and order that the road should be reconstructed in the right way." The king was utmost impressed with the suggestion and he ordered for the necessary changes.